The Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is making waves in the mid-range smartphone market, offering a compelling combination of features at a competitive price point. Here's a breakdown of the phone's strengths and weaknesses to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. High points. Display. The Edge 50 Fusion boasts a stunning 6.7-inch OLED display with a smooth 144Hz refresh rate, perfect for gamers and multimedia enthusiasts. It's bright enough for outdoor use and offers rich colors. Design. This phone stands out with its curved display and unique faux leather back, making it comfortable to hold and offering a premium feel. An IP68 rating ensures dust and water resistance, exceeding what some flagships even offer. Performance. The Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 processor paired with 12 GB of RAM delivers solid performance for everyday tasks and can handle most games at moderate settings. There's minimal lag, and the phone feels fluid in operation. Battery life. The 5000 mAh battery is a highlight, offering ample power for a full day's use on a single charge. Software. Motorola provides a near-stock Android experience with minimal bloatware, ensuring a clean and responsive interface. Potential downsides. Camera. While the main 50-megapixel sensor and 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera capture good photos, the lack of a telephoto lens and occasional lag when switching cameras might be a drawback for photography enthusiasts. Video recording is capped at 4K 30 FPS, and stabilization could be better. Charging. The phone supports 68W fast charging, which is good but falls short of the 100W speeds some competitors offer. It also lacks wireless charging. Touch responsiveness. Some users have reported minor touch responsiveness issues when pushing the phone to its limits, which could be a concern for gamers. Overall, the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is a well-rounded mid-range smartphone that excels in display quality, design, battery life, and software experience. It delivers solid performance for most users and boasts a premium feel uncommon in its price range. While the camera system and charging capabilities aren't class-leading, they are still decent. If you prioritize a beautiful display, long battery life, and a clean software experience, the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is definitely worth considering.